Hey, this is William H., Adventure Dog from the Bear Bull Traders community, and today I want to share with you my one and done trade on Twitter. And this is a strategy that Andrew specifically teaches and talks about, which is the VWAP bounce. And you see I get filled right at 31.34. I recorded myself trading this morning like I do every morning. I watched it and I'm making this video. And this video is happening live as I saw it this morning. So why did I take that entry? Okay, first of all, I saw on the daily, and I mentioned this in the chat, on the daily Twitter, it gapped up above the 9, above the 20, but most significantly above the 50, which tells me both day traders and institutions are going to want to buy this up. And lucky for me, like I do some mornings, I was in the chat seeing what everyone else is talking about, but I was also on the phone with another trader, Sarah, from our chat. We know how each other trades. We try to support each other. We try to help with the emotional part and the psychology, and we like to check each other. And so that was very helpful in this trade because I mentioned to her, in the first 5 minutes, look at this, it's going down to VWAP and getting bought up. That's where I want to buy it. I wanted to buy it off VWAP, but I couldn't. I didn't want to break my rule of trading in the first 5 minutes. So I waited and I looked at other things, and I didn't see Twitter. As it dumped, lucky for me, Sarah saw it and she screamed out to me, hey, it's going down to Twitter. I mean, Twitter's going down to VWAP. I instantly pop it open. I'm like, there's my buy opportunity. And I get filled right there. Now, why did I do that? This is the VWAP bounce. But look at this 1 minute chart. That looks bearish to a lot of people, especially new traders. Look at this. This looks bearish to a lot of people, especially new traders, and especially to me in the past that we think it's going to short. After that, we see one red candle and we think short. So I'm trying a lot of things, reading the overall price action, looking at the daily, and also the specific strategy of a VWAP bounce. And if we like to buy breakouts, which is what a lot of us do, and I do it sometimes too, we buy the breakout of either the body or the candle. Where do we put our stop? We put our stop maybe at a new 1 minute low, maybe the 9, maybe the 20, maybe VWAP. So as I've been really practicing my setups and how I want to trade, stocks almost always go back to support once, twice, or maybe 3 times, and it gives you the perfect opportunity. Don't get scared out by these few red minute candles. All this does is tell me, here's your opportunity for the long. That's what it is. It gave me the opportunity for the VWAP bounce. And so I saw that. Thank you to Sarah who saw it actually and told me, and I executed. Okay, so now I put my entry where my stop would have been. So now where's my new stop? My new stop is my entry. That's the beautiful thing about buying at support here. It is 5-6 cents under my entry, which is right below VWAP, which is a very strong support. So now Norm's been harping on it. Robert H has been harping on it. I've been harping on it. Great entries, great executions, great psychology, great mindset is a great thing, but it's at the end of the day, it's nothing without great exits. How many of us exit after 10, 20, 30 cents, right? We want to lock in that profit. We're worried that we let it go up and then the trades oftentimes go against us. And so we want to lock that in. Well, look, I've got these note cards and I recommend not writing what I write down, but write whatever you guys need to write down that you can study, that you can look over. Simple phrases to remind you. Cut your losses short. Let your winners ride or die. I'm not getting out of trades early because I always do. I always exit early on my winning trades. So that's what I've been working on. Having patience on the exit, and long above VWAP is safer. I'm not shorting this. This is above VWAP. It's strong on the 60, strong on the daily, strong on the 15, strong on the 5. I am not shorting below VWAP in this specific instance. Then Andrew, he talks about all the time, you want to get in a trade and have it instantly go in your favor. Look at that. It instantly jumped up 50 cents. That means I'm in the right side of this trade. So I cannot exit early, okay? So what do? Talk with the trader on the phone. She helps me find Sarah. She helps me find the level of 32.50. So then I put in every time I click forward, it goes 30 seconds. I put in a limit order at 32.46, a few cents below that level to make sure I get filled. And I'm going to get filled here any second, 32.46 right there. That's 80% fill. Now I'm looking at the daily. I see this 200 coming in. I don't want to mess with that. So I see a level at 33. Put my exit a few cents under that at 32.96 for the final remaining 20%. And I put my new stop at this 5 minute low. So let's pause this And let's look at what actually materialized today. Look at that. That was today on the daily for Twitter. I enter here, I get my first exit here, first exit here. Look, I still exited early. I still did, but I'm happy with that. Over $1 move, about $1.50 move or so. My risk was 5 or 6 cents. That's like a 10 to 1 risk reward. I am extremely happy with that. That's the type of trade that makes me proud of myself because, I'm not often proud of my trading, and this one motivates me to keep going. It motivates me, and that's what we all need. We need the motivation to see we can do this. And it's a lot of hard work, guys. It's a lot of hard work, and we have lots of ups and downs. So just keep working on it, keep practicing. When you get that motivation and those good trades, you're going to feel good, and things will start to click, and you just get better and better and better. So I hope you all had a great day, and see you tomorrow in the chat.